Let us begin with something very familiar from everyday life. Think about the moments mentioned on this slide. Butterflies in your stomach before an exam, sweaty palms before speaking in front of your class, tight shoulders after a stressful day, or a racing heart during an exciting cricket match. These are not random reactions. They are messages from your body. Very often, your body reacts before your thinking mind fully understands what is happening. In other words, your body notices stress, excitement, fear, pressure, and even anticipation very quickly. This is important because many students are taught to pay attention only to thoughts, such as "I am nervous" or "I am stressed." But before those thoughts become clear, the body usually speaks first. It may speak through the stomach, the breath, the heartbeat, the muscles, or the skin. So this module invites you to ask an important question. Are you listening to those signals? If you learn to notice them early, you can understand yourself better and respond more wisely. This opening idea leads us directly into what you will learn in this module. Now that we have seen how the body gives us signals in daily life, let us look at the main goals of this module. First, you will discover that the body is constantly communicating with the brain. This communication is happening all the time, whether you notice it or not. Your heartbeat, your breathing, muscle tension, and stomach sensations all carry useful information. Second, you will learn that physical sensations are not something to ignore. They can help you understand what is going on inside you. For example, a tight jaw may tell you that you are stressed. Shallow breathing may tell you that you are anxious. A relaxed body may tell you that you are feeling safe and calm. Third, you will understand how meditation helps with this process. Meditation trains attention. It helps you slow down enough to notice body signals earlier, before stress becomes too strong or overwhelming. When you notice early, you have more choices. You can pause, breathe, relax your shoulders, or calm your mind before things build up. So, this module is really about building awareness from the inside out. Before we can manage emotions well, we first need to notice how they appear in the body. This slide shows the chain of events that often happens inside us. It may begin with a stressful event. For example, you may hear that a test is about to begin, or a teacher may suddenly ask you to answer a question. That event is first processed by the brain. The brain quickly decides whether the situation feels challenging, exciting, or threatening. Then the brain sends signals to the rest of the body. The heart may beat faster. The muscles may tighten. Breathing may become quicker or more shallow. After that, you begin to feel body sensations such as chest tightness, sweaty palms, a dry mouth, or a knot in the stomach. This sequence is very helpful to understand because it shows that emotions are not only in the mind. They are also expressed through the body. What you feel physically is part of your inner experience. Meditation becomes useful here because it helps you notice this process as it is happening. Instead of becoming confused by the feeling, you learn to observe it. You may notice, "My shoulders are tight," or "My breathing is getting fast." That awareness is the first step towards self-control and calm decision-making. This prepares us for the main message of the module, which is captured in the final takeaway. The key takeaway is simple and powerful. Your body is your earliest warning system. Before your thoughts become clear, your body often gives the first sign that something is changing inside you. It tells you when stress is rising, when fear is appearing, when excitement is building, or when you need rest. If you learn to listen to these signals, you can respond earlier and more effectively. You do not have to wait until you feel overwhelmed. You can notice the early signs and take helpful action, such as pausing, breathing slowly, relaxing tension, or simply observing what is happening. So, as we move forward in this course, remember this central idea. Paying attention to your body is not a small skill. It is a foundation for mindfulness, emotional awareness, and wise action. When you listen to your body, you understand yourself better from the inside out.